When talking about eating disorders, a common and courageous question I get is, do I have one? The reason this is courageous is because eating disorders they're a very secretive illness. They're oftentimes hidden and oftentimes not discussed. It takes a lot of courage to ask this question, and there can be confusion as to whether or not someone has an eating disorder, and there are different forms. Oftentimes we think about someone who is excessively thin or someone who binges and purges. Those are two very serious forms of an eating disorder. But in addition to anorexia and bulimia, there's also binge disorder and eating disorder NOS. And the common denominator with all of these eating disorders is the obsession and preoccupation with food. Whether it's being out of control or trying to control. It's a technique to self-soothe, and some of the coping techniques have been to restrict food to the point of excessively having a thin or frail figure, binging on food and then purging, excessive consumption of food to the point of obesity, and in some cases, people use large amounts of either laxatives or diuretics or even turn to drugs such as cocaine, diet pills, ephedrine, or methamphetamine, just to name a few. These become techniques to foster the eating disorder obsession. An important piece of recovery is to address the core issue and the energy that's underneath all of the obsession, and to learn healthier techniques to have a healthier relationship with the self and food. Oftentimes, treatment is sought out when eating disorder has become severe. Seeking out treatment when it's severe or when noticing the symptoms prior to its severity is highly recommended because it can get out of control pretty quickly and cause severe damage. At Sovereign Health Group, the professionals are available to support you with your goals and meet you where you are at in your recovery process. Getting the support and learning that there are others who share the same struggles and are learning to heal is a part of the process. So contacting Sovereign Health Group now can get you one step closer to an opportunity to have an increased quality of life and begin to heal.